Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the automatic power off of your Sony LinkBuds. Okay, first of all we have to open the Sony headphones application. When we are connected, we have to switch to the system option. Right now, scroll down. There it is, automatic power off. Click in this place. And as you can see, we can select two options. The first one to do not turn off. It means that this option will be disabled. And you can also pick this one. So your LinkBuds will be power off when the headphones are taken off. And that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.